As the IT admin of two different software development organizations in a Fortune 1000 company, I know the value of the data that we generate. Since most of our key developers are mobile workers, I need a data backup and restore solution that will protect the data on their laptops wherever they are, in the office, at home, on the road, or on vacation. Today, I'm going to SavvisDirect.com to purchase, configure, and implement just such a data backup and restore solution. Here we are at the SavvisDirect website on the marketplace for backup products. As you can see, there are a few choices for PC backups based on storage size. Here is a standard rule for sizing. Over 95% of your laptop backups will have 10 gigabytes or less of actual business data to be backed up. So we will start with the 10 gigabyte PC backup option, and I select 15 for the number of users. And let's add it to the cart. Now we select the link to view our cart to complete the purchase. In the shopping cart, I click on Proceed to Checkout. After reviewing my order, I click on Continue. And now I have completed the purchase. Here we are at the SavvisDirect Management Console, specifically in the high-level dashboard. In order to configure my backup, I first click on Applications. Here's the product that I just purchased, and as you can see, it has not been activated. Up here is the backup product that I have purchased in the past for the other development group that I support. Let's go to my new purchase and click on Activate. In this screen, let's click on Setup. On this screen, we can enter our high-level account information. While most of the screen has auto-populated, we need to enter our new login username and password, which is used for management. After entering the data, we click on Save. At this point, the backup product is ready to deploy for 15 users. I'm going to deploy it to my laptop first, which is very important for the encryption keys. More on that later. Let's start by clicking on New User. In this screen, I enter my name or a generic name and my exact address where the activation email will be sent. Of course, we need to enter and confirm a password. And when I'm done, I click on Save. Now, we can see my PC account has been created and it has a status of ready. Overall, I can see that of my 15 users purchased, I now have 14 users remaining. So let's switch over to my laptop, use the activation email to download the software, and then configure my backups. Here I am on my laptop, viewing my email client. Here's my activation email from SavvisDirect. When I read the email, you can see I have detailed instructions. First, I have instructions for a Windows laptop. Then, I have instructions for an iPad or iPod. And we have instructions for an Android device. Since I'm on a Windows laptop, let's click on the link for Windows. And here is my download screen for Internet Explorer. Let's click on Run. First, I need to enter the encryption keys. The private key is unique to each laptop, and the account key must be the same for each laptop in my organization. Since the account key is set by the first entered value, it behooves me to be the first laptop configured so I can define the account key. Let's enter the encryption keys now. I enter these values as per our company's key management policies. Part of this policy is to not forward the keys to DS System, which is the SavvisDirect hosted backup server. Thus, I unselect this checkbox. Note that SavvisDirect does not support key management of customer encryption keys. This is a simple but powerful user interface for our backup software. By default, it will back up files in the My Documents folder and all my emails. But let's click on Edit Selection to see how flexible the software really is. As you can see, I can select one of the standard libraries such as music or pictures, or I can pick a specific location or select an entire volume. On the next screen, I can choose to keep a local backup copy. I advise my end users against this since the most likely cause of data loss is a hard disk crash, which would eliminate the backup copy as well as the active data. Well, I'm done with my laptop. Soon all my end users' laptops will be protected as well, and I'll be able to sleep at night.